Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo claims the iPhone 17 series will retain the dynamic island size, contradicting previous acceptions of a redesign. Future iterations may feature more significant changes, but for now, users should expect only minor upgrades in the upcoming models. The highly anticipated iPhone 17 lineup, which is anticipated to comprise the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, may not feature significant changes to the dynamic island. According to a new claim by a market analyst, the highly anticipated iPhone 17 lineup, which is anticipated to comprise the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max, may not feature significant changes to the dynamic island. According to a new claim by a market analyst, the report contradicts earlier speculation suggesting Apple would reduce the size of the feature, which currently houses the front-facing camera and sensors for functions such as Face ID. The TF Securities analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, known for his accurate predictions regarding Apple products, recently stated on X that the size of the dynamic island would remain largely unchanged across the iPhone 17 series. However, Kuo did not provide additional details about the new range of devices. Notably, this prediction challenges earlier claims from July 2024 by Jeff Wu of Haitong International Tech Research, who suggests that the iPhone 17 Pro Max would employ advanced metal lens technology for its proximity sensor. Such a move was expected to facilitate a more compact design for the dynamic island on Apple's premium models. To recall, Apple introduced the dynamic island with the iPhone 14 Pro series, replacing the traditional display notch found on earlier models. While the features have been widely praised for its functionality, hopes for a sleeker iterations appear to be premature. Reports indicate that Apple may instead focus on a complete redesign in future iPhones, potentially relocating the components under the display. Until then, users may have to wait at least another year for a smaller dynamic island. Interestingly, the forthcoming iPhone SE 4 is rumored to adopt the dynamic island design, moving away from the display notch seen in the current SE model. Leaked details suggest the budget-friendly device will mirror iPhone 14's design while incorporating enhanced camera, processor, and display upgrades. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.